A journey into the world of the rainforest is a journey into the Earth's distant past. This is some of the oldest forest in the land, a pocket of ancient growth clinging to the coastal fringe of an arid continent. Under this green canopy, the air is still and close, rich with the smells of decay. But it's through this decay that the rainforest is renewed. With death comes rebirth. This is Minnamurra Rainforest in Budderoo National Park, a beautiful and rare patch of rainforest near Kiama on the south coast of New South Wales. It's a special place where tourists can experience for themselves the unique wonders of the rainforest. Very little of Australia's original rainforest is left. 200 years ago, there was a lot more. But the massive clearing of forests to open up the land for agriculture has reduced the areas of rainforest to a fraction of their former size. Looking after what's left is essential if we want to preserve an important part of our national heritage. And here at Minnamurra, this is precisely what's occurring, keeping alive a beautiful patch of rainforest for future generations to enjoy. It means making sure the forest is protected and then welcoming people in to admire its beauty.
So our primary function when we inherited Minnamurra Rainforest was to conserve the rainforest, but at the same time we had to provide a destination for over 100,000 visitors. We decided to build a boardwalk which gets people up off the floor of the forest, allowing the forest floor to breathe and to grow.
Minnamurra Rainforest has been a favourite destination for walkers and picnickers for a long time. But while these people came to enjoy the exceptional beauty of the forest, just the sheer volume of pedestrian traffic damaged the environment. So the managers of the park hit upon the solution. Let the tourists in by all means, but keep them off the ground so that the delicate ecosystem couldn't be harmed. It's this attention to detail that has made Minnamurra Rainforest such a successful tourist destination, an award-winning tourist destination. Here, visitors can savour the beauties of a natural wonderland and know that they're doing nothing to contribute to the destruction of this haven for rare and endangered species, the rainforest of Eastern Australia.
But they don't only just establish their life up in the trees, they also do it on rocks.
And the very act of allowing visitors to sample the rainforest like this helps educate them to understand the fragile nature and unique delicacy of the rainforest. This education can only serve to help protect and preserve our remaining patches of rainforest.
One other thing that I've noticed growing in the park here at the moment, in the rainforest, is this stuff. This is called warrigal spinach. And if you boil this up, you can eat it just like you eat the other spinach.
Throughout the world, there's an increasing interest in ecotourism. Places like Minnamurra Rainforest, where access is balanced with care and protection of the environment, are a major drawcard now and will be even more so in the future. We need places like Minnamurra. They've been around since this continent was formed, and they're our remaining link with some of the oldest forests in Australia. The least we can do is look after them for future generations.